I'm Zionah Browne. I'm a senior forward on the UH soccer team. Are you ready to play a game? Let's go.
Zionah is a really good soccer player, and she has to juggle. Now that she's juggling, can you tell what she's going to hit the ball with next? Choose 1 for a knee. Choose 2 if she's going to kick it with her foot. Choose 3 if she's going to hit it with her head. You have 10 seconds. Let's go.
As a soccer player, I get to use my whole body. I can use my feet, my knees, my shoulders, but most importantly, I can use my head. I'm going to give you 3 ways I can use my head. 1, I keep my head on a swivel and make sure there are no defenders around me. 2, I use it to think. I have to see the game, see what I'm going to do next. And 3, I can use my head creatively. I can use it to head it to my teammate, I can use it to head in the goal, or I can even use it to stop the ball. Now that you know the 3 ways that I can use my head, let's see if you can guess what I'm going to do next.
Zionah is a really good soccer player, and she has to juggle. Now that she's juggling, can you tell what she's going to hit the ball with next?